Shit. Can you see that? Voila. Bloop. I'll do one side here. The rear wheel. Oh, you like the movie in the background? Scream 3. I'll just put it on. Whatever.
I'm sure I would have. But he's a real person. I wish it would work out.
Okay. This last one's gonna be tight here. I'm gonna push that shit down. Push. 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 Yeah. Yep. Uh-huh. What was it? 9 on each side. That's making noises. Okay. Huh. Well, let's do it. Yeah. In case you've never done a rear hub before. Scoop. Scoop. Scoopity doop, 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 doop. Get it in there. Yep. Uh-huh. Good enough. More the merrier. Almost out. Yep. Sure. Why not? Uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Wipe my finger on this dirty rag. Yeah. I was gonna take this whole free hub body. That's what this is called. I was gonna do that. I actually made a video before this one. And I rewatched it and I was like, oh my god, I'm drunk. I was gonna take the free hub body. I was like, what am I doing? This is like a flip bike. No, it's working. It's working. Click, 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 click. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't need to take that apart. I am drunk though. Right now. Right now, I am drunk. I got super drunk last night with my friend. Came over. And I went back to the liquor store today. And I said, fuck it. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. It's such an easier drunk the second time because you're still drunk from the night before, you know what I mean? Anyways, I'll do this. Put the bearings in. Hopefully it's recording. Hopefully it's you can see what I'm doing with these needle nose. And the TV's not too loud. Oh, 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 I almost dropped it. Yeah, you don't want to drop. Okay, now I need to press these all in. Here, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze that so it grips it down. Press in, press it down. Press in, press it down. Press in, down, down. Hold it like a little baby. Up, press in. Get down. Press in. Yeah. And now I got room. Oh! Nope. My mistake. Why press up when I can go down? Yeah. Like it jumped. In. And down. Now, take that and just spread it on top. A little bit. I'm actually going to shove more grease in there. Huh? I could do this. I could do this. Just, yeah, by hand. Yeah. That should push everything to where it's supposed to be. Uh-huh. More grease. More grease. Yeah. Dunk it in there. Ooh, that's too much grease. No, there we go. Oh, is that a hair? Shit. Sorry, I'm drunk. I'm drunk now. There we go. That's plenty of grease. Yep. Uh-huh. 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 A bit more.
You stole the mask? You took the mask or you stole the mask?
I took it as like a souvenir.
Don't look at me, I didn't take shit.
No, he was there. I am not dreaming. I am not crazy. He was there in Woodsboro.
Yep. Good enough for me.
He was there. He or she or whoever this is.
We're gonna take you back to the station.
Rear wheel. Good enough for me. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay. Ah.
Come on, we have to go catch up with Sid.
We got it. Archive. His mother was an actress.
Okay.
Horror movies. When I moved
Ah.
There'll be other movies from.
These two. Let's take these two out right now. It's hot.
Nobody's gonna want to work with me. Variety called me a pariah. I don't even know what a pariah is. Why couldn't someone kill the cast from Stab 1? Huh? Or Stab 2? Why me? What? John, what did we do wrong?
Hollywood is full of criminals whose careers are flourishing.
I'm not a criminal. I was questioned. Yeah, but that's all. I was questioned. That's it.
It's good for your mistake.
You think it'll help me get work?
Jennifer? And yes?
Shit.
Rena Reynolds.
Wait a second. That's the lock ring. Should be another one. Right?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Roman.
Life isn't tragic.
Oh no.
Shut the doors behind you, please.
So you knew Sidney Bechdel, Mom?
Rena Reynolds.
You know how many actors have worked for me?
He didn't say she was a
Shit.
So what's the point?
No point. I'm just gonna give
Which one does this go on?
She was a bit player in a couple of movies. A nobody. So what does it matter?
Oh, come on. You have made millions off the story of her murder. You're obsessed with her, and you're obsessed with her daughter. Easy, Geraldo. Why don't you tell us the truth?
What the hell are you guys getting at? I make horror.
This goes on. Yeah, this goes on this side for sure.
They came to me. Check it out.
But you knew who she was.
When we did the first stab, I realized I know Maureen Prescott before.
Oh, for fuck. Clip. Get in there.
Murders on your set?
Huh.
Still you say nothing?
Get real. That would make me a suspect.
Just because you knew her?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Just what happened to Maureen when she was at home?
Okay.
Now you just need to
Okay.
let it go.
Hold on.
How would you like to see it dug up like that?
I'm drunk. I'm gonna get this on. Trust me.
Could the dude have more money? Supposedly.
Okay, I was looking for this a second ago. When I threw it in, it actually went in the hole. Anyways, I found it. And that went
Big old spinning room shouldn't be too hard to find.
this way.
I'm gonna go check this place out. Whoa, just one damn minute.
This way.
There's a psycho killer on the loose, and you wanna go traipsing around this gigantic mansion? Have you ever actually seen the Stab movie? Every
Sure.
time this dude enters the room, he ends up a goddamn shit kebab.
Uh-huh.
I'll go with you, Amy.
There you go.
You guys wanna go? You're not sneaking. Wait up. We're gonna stay here and wait for Sid. We'll be right back.
Ah. Yeah, just to wipe down. Perfect. Okay, I hit the button by accident. I had to take a pee at the same time. Anyways, there's the back wheel done for you. The through axle. Put the axle in. It's actually the same way that it comes off. It's a little tight right now, but yeah. There's videos on YouTube how to adjust that cone ring thingamajig. There's a cone, yeah. Double bolt system. Anyways. This actually came out pretty clean in the good old ultrasonic cleaner. Yeah. And there's my back wheel. Front wheel's easier. Bada boom, bada bing. Time to drink a beer. Let's go. Okay. It's been a few days there since the last video edit. Last night was Halloween. I got pretty freaking drunk, but yeah, that's the theme of this thing is I'm always drunk. Anyways, it's done. It's done. And I drove it this morning, actually, well, just an hour ago, and it's working. I had a problem though with the rear derailleur. It wasn't shifting. So if you notice here, whoa, the orange cable. That's a new. It's a new cable. Orange. Yeah. Works. Yeah. I did a wheelie. Anyways, that's it. Brought back to life. Scott Peak. 90s mountain bike rescued from the junkyard or something. Dude, after the wheel bearing video, it's the best wheel bearing I've ever done. These wheels spin. Flip the bike upside down and spin the wheel. I'm pretty sure it spins better than my mountain bike. Like, god damn. Anyways, that's it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah. $100. $100. Who wants it? Okay, quick edit. I forgot to mention, I will definitely put this GoPro that I'm holding in my hand on my head and go for a bike ride. That will be part 3 or something. It's the day after Halloween. It's actually like 100-mile-an-hour winds outside right now. Yeah, I'm not going biking today, but there will definitely be a biking video. I have a local park. I'll go for a rip. Good 5-10 minute bike ride in the park, shifting the gears, doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah, that's it. Cool.